We'll guide you through how to turn on the ringer on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When the ringer is on, your iPhone will go and make sound for notifications. For example, when you receive a call, a message, or another type of notification. So watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this. So to get started, come onto the side for the first way, as we're covering different ways you can do this, and come above the volume rockers. On the newer iPhones, it's a button. On the older ones, it's a switch. On the older ones, make sure the switch is pushed up. On the new ones, tap and hold it. You want to make sure when you press it, it goes and says ring. If I press it says silent, that means it's turned off. We want it to say ring. Another way you can do this is by dragging down on the battery in the top right. Find the bell. You want to make sure it's white like this. This shows it's on. If it's red and silent mode's on, this means ring is off. So let's go and turn ringer on like so. The last one I'll show you is by opening up your settings, scroll down to sounds and haptics and make sure silent mode is switched off and the ringer will be on.